Hi, today we talk how to create Google account. So for this purpose, first you need to open Gmail app on your mobile phone. Then here at the top right corner you have your profile button, click on it. Then this will pop up on your screen. Here you have the option of add another account, click on it. Once you click on it, then this will appear on your screen. Here what you need to do, set up email. So here I click on Google. Then here you need to tap on continue. Then this type of page will appear. Here you have the option of create account, click on it. Then choose any one option from them. So here I select for my personal use. Then this type of page will appear. Here you need to enter your first name and then surname. Once you enter your first full name and then surname, then click on next button. Once you click on next button, then this page will appear. Here you need to give your basic information like enter your birthday and gender. In birthday, enter date, month and year. Then under this you have the box for gender, click on it. Then this will pop up. Here you need to choose that gender which you have. Once you done this, then click on next button. Once you click on next button, then this type of page will appear. Here you need to create username for your account. Once you create username for your account which is suitable, then click on next button. Once you done all these steps, then here you need to create a strong password for your account. But don't forget to create a strong password with a mixture of letters, numbers and symbols. Once you done this, then click on next. Then from this page, review your account info. Once you done this, then click on next button. Then privacy and terms page will appear. Here you need to scroll down and click on I agree button. Then wait for at least 30 to 40 seconds. Then you can see your account which you have created will appear on your screen. So this is the way you can create Google account. Thanks for watching.